Good afternoon, friends. This is Sanjay Agarwal. I'm at Triveni Kala Sangam. This is the Shri Dharni Gallery. So we have the artist with us, Mr. Tejendra Kanda, sir. So sir will introduce himself. What his journey? When did he start into the art world? It's been a long time, sir.
Yeah,
And
it's almost.
yeah,
I started my journey almost 35 years back at my school time. Then I got admission in Art College Chandigarh, and after that I shifted to Delhi. And earlier works were based on figurative style, and printmakers, particularly in printmaking also I did some serigraphs and transparent kind of serigraphs, which was very much appreciated by Dr. B.N. Goswami sir. He is no more. He was well-known art historian from India. So then I gradually shifted to paintings again. I did my basically education in painting. Then again I shifted to painting. For the last 25 years I am doing paintings only.
right. And
And
this is
current series is totally based in within, means um, nothing is outside actually. Everything is inside. Even my eyes, the whatever I see, I don't paint that. I paint only without any pre-notions and preconcepts. That was my main motive behind these paintings, so that something new should come out of it. Something new, some new forms should come out of my own body, and I can enjoy those colors and the flows and energies. Something I was looking for, something, some new soul actually.
this
out of my-
canvas behind us. This is one of your larger canvases.
Yeah,
So,
yes, it is almost 16 feet and 6.5 feet.
so how many days you spent on this?
Days in that sense, you can say I have been practicing art for the last 35 or 30 years. So it is a matter of the experience of 35 years is involved in this kind of.
Did
Yes.
you do it in 35 hours? Or
No, 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 no.
little longer?
You see, the confidence which has been gained throughout my journey, how to handle the bold patches, or how to break the surface, how to balance anything. The main subject is, you see, it's a practice of 35 years.
So we'll move to that side, sir. Please come.
Yes, sure.
Please come, sir. I think. Sir,
So this this seems as if we are traveling through some path,
yes.
and some extra light or white light is coming above the trees or bushes, or blue light, and kind of this kind of waves going through the herbs, or the simple floating pinks and colorful vibrant
As we see, like you're trying to portray the planet Earth on different. As we read
aqua bluish
colours,
kind of,
yes.
yeah. Early colors, yeah.
Lovely, sir.
Aqua colors is basically give the depth to the greens actually.
Okay.
So that was my main motto.
So we'll move to the next one, sir. Please.
Sure.
If you,
It was very spontaneous kind of work, which I want to break only use wanted to use only red colors and oranges or sharp
you have
colors.
golden, you have pink.
Very rational colors. So to balance those colors, I wanted to use some big patches, and the fight was in between those two colors only. And in the meantime, pinks are my most favorite colors. I floated pinks on it.
So though we see the heart also.
It seems as if it is hard, but I see in other way it may be some kind of somebody says this is kind of snake. A man is kissing a snake.
Right. हाँ वो दिख रहा है वो जो आपने बोल रहे हैं
But somebody told me this is, yeah, everybody, हर एक के लिए it's all different.
मेरे को देख एप्पल भी दिख रहा है
Yeah,
Steve Jobs could listen to us
yeah.
You're absolutely
Somebody is saying it's a some kind of Kathakali kind of figure, or some facial expressions are there, different kind of.
I wish you had some music here playing and people coming into the gallery. So we'll move to the other side, sir. These are not. मैं start करता हूँ. They'll start. So this is not the miniature work, is it?
Yeah, it's almost 14 inches by.
But not a miniature. मतलब, have
Not
you done
miniatures.
miniatures also.
Yeah, some smaller works are there.
That's,
Yes,
because I've
it is
seen-
14 by 18, I think.
But here, what is the means? Like suppose somebody is looking to put art in his drawing room or bedroom or living room. तो कहाँ के लिए आप suggest करेंगे? as an
Art,
artist?
देखो, one can use the art as उनका मर्जी है, wherever they have the space,
So it's evergreen.
they are free to hang it. Yeah.
And so we would like to know more about your journey, about your solo shows जो आपका जैसे ये वाला है. How many
My-
solo shows you've had और कहाँ आपके shows हुए हैं?
My first solo show was done by Dr. B.N. Goswami in
Yes.
Punjab University Museum.
Right, sir.
It was of prints actually.
Okay.
So it was done in 1991 or 1990, I don't remember. I think
Somewhere
it's
around.
1991, yeah. So after that, I think it's, sorry, 88 maybe, 88, 89.
Right, sir.
It was of my first solo. Then after onwards, three solos was done over here, and before that, one or two solos were done outside. In Sri
Outside
Lanka.
India or outside Delhi?
Not outside Delhi. It's in Delhi itself.
Delhi itself.
Yeah.
And abhi, during Corona, we met a lot of artists in different galleries. I've been doing across Delhi. So मैंने देखा कि lot of people who were not artists by profession, and we met doctors. So doctors, women, men, सब लोग they took to the brush. आपका कैसा रहा experience? How was your journey during Corona times?
During Corona time, one of my friend who was working with some Corona people, he took me to my studio and I started painting in solace. Nothing else. I enjoyed my Corona period very well, without any outside
What was the
interference.
It's not displayed here. आपका Corona काल का जो work है, you're not displayed here.
No, it's
Yeah.
not
So
displayed.
what did you क्या वो you wanted झलक आपकी तरफ से कि क्या आपने करा?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं. कोरोना में whatever exercises or mentally whatever I was thinking over, those drawings was made and it's not displayed here.
Okay. And so मेरा एक प्रश्न है, means whenever you're an artist, so a lot of students, you must be inspire करते होंगे आप generations को. तो आप do you also teach
I
art?
don't teach. I'm full-time artist. I don't teach.
But any plans for the future? Because जो talent आपके जो क्या हुनर जो आपके पास है वो आप कहीं ना कहीं चाहेंगे कि वो somebody उसको आगे लेके जाए. अपनी families में generally होता है. Like my father was an engineer. I got into a different profession, MBA. Now I'm into media. So it doesn't work that way. कि painting artist के बच्चे भी art. So what do you plan for the future for?
You see, planning for the future again means creating mess for yourself. So planning actually means nothing. My entire journey, if you see my painting, it is without any pre-notion. It means I am basically living in that mindset which doesn't have the pre-notion. So planning actually doesn't exist for an artist actually. So sorry, I'm.
नहीं,
तो
वो आपने
यही
ठीक
है.
बोला that we don't
Planning
want to
without
be in
planning.
chains.
Yes.
And
No. I don't want to.
Yes.
I don't want to plan anything because planning may not justify my work of style or my style of thinking or my style of freedom. So for me, freedom is more important rather than planning.
Great. सर हम लोग आपका शुक्रिया करेंगे. थैंक यू वेरी मच. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ इट आई वुड लाइक टू से दिस त्रिवेणी is located near the Mandi house. You can take the nearest metro, and this exhibition is open till the 31st of July. And आप लोग इधर आइए. और ये जबकि इंडोर्स में है, लेकिन मेरा एक इम्प्रेशन बन रहा है कि अगर ये पेंटिंग्स को कभी भी बारिश इस टाइम चल रही है, what do you call that, you know, monsoon season or just savan and everything. So I think this is something very realistic जो सर का है. And I would wish that everybody who's watching, and because हमारे ग्रुप में we have lot of artists, so we try to post them and they come, and you know, because lot of इधर भी काफ़ी लोग आ रहे होंगे. So thank you very much तेजेंद्र जी. Thank you. We will just take a break. We'll just go to some of these spectators. Come. We'll just. Hi. Can you just say how do you feel about this?
Yeah, for sure. Hi, yeah.
I'm Sanjay. What's your name?
Satyarth.
Satyarth. So you're a
Yes.
student of art?
Yeah, like I'm getting into it. Like I'm a graphic designer. I do
Graphic
graphic design,
designer.
and also, you know, I find myself going to workshops and all every now and then.
How do you feel about this gallery right now? The work here displayed.
It's very, you know, I feel like for me personally, it feels like it's very in the face. You know, like it's just, you know, it's a splash of colors like coming towards you. So it's like I've never really been into all this stuff. Like I like more of like minimalist, like abstract stuff. But this is like, you know, a change of experience for me. So-
Liking it.
Yeah, of course.
Where do you
of
come
course.
from? Which part of India?
I'm from Sikkim originally.
From Sikkim.
Yeah.
Yeah. And why did you also come in? Please. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Chetna.
What do you do?
I'm studying psychology actually, but I work with art galleries, so I'm quite interested in art.
So psychologists cannot shy away from an interview.
Okay, thank you so much. I will try my
So how
best.
do you feel Tejinder ji's work? You've been around.
Yeah. We've just been looking around, and actually we're coming from other art galleries as well. So it feels like a very breath of fresh air. It's very different. It's all very vibrant, and I love the amount of colors he has used. He hasn't shied away from using any tone or any color, which is very fun. So you just have a good time looking at it.
Wonderful. I wish that you also means put in your comments where they have a register there. And thanks you so much.
Yeah, likewise.
Yep. We'll take a break. Some more people if interview कर लेते हैं थोड़ा सा छोटा सा कर.
अभी मैं देख लूँ तो मैं कुछ
छोड़
बोल
नहीं
पाऊंगा।
अभी क्या देखने आए हो. हेलो हमारे साथ एक दर्शक हैं जो इधर गैलरी में है तेजिंदर जी के. तो आपका इंट्रोडक्शन.
मतलब मैं भी आर्टिस्ट हूँ।
मैं उनको बोल रहा था मैं कि इसमें
हाँ जी।
आर्टिस्ट बहुत आते हैं.
हाँ।
हमने एक ग्रुप बना रखा है उसमें 400-500 आर्टिस्ट
अच्छा।
हैं. मैं मीडिया से कवरेज जब करता हूँ तो आर्टिस्ट से ही मिलते हैं. तो आपको ये प्राइमरी फ्रैक्चरली कैसे लग रहा है? कलर्स वाइब्रेंट है काफ़ी.
मतलब बहुत बोल्ड स्ट्रोक्स है और काफ़ी अच्छा एब्स्ट्रैक्शन है
वो excellent.
और मतलब यूज़ बड़े बड़े एक काम हैं और कलर पैलेट बहुत प्यारा है और हर एक पेंटिंग का अपना एक लैंग्वेज है और कलर स्ट्रीम के साथ जो किया है सो बहुत मतलब परफेक्टली किया गया है क्योंकि तेजिंदर मतलब सर का मैंने पहले थोड़ा सा मतलब रियलिस्टिक भी देखा हुआ है और जब वो बनारस सीरीज और ये सब
लवली.
सो मैं रिलेट कर पा रहा हूँ कि कैसे उन्होंने अपने एब्स्ट्रैक्शन के साथ मूव किया हुआ है काम के साथ.
परफेक्ट.
सो बहुत परफेक्टली किया हुआ है.
आप अपना नाम भी बता दीजिए.
मेरा नाम संजय कुमार है.
Okay, I'm Sanjay Agarwal and good to meet you. Thank you. So as I've requested you, everybody to please come and visit the gallery. So thank you very much. This is Sanjay Agarwal signing off.